grand afternoon. Really quick video, really quick. I had a little time on my hands, so I decided to make a phone call, right? Made a phone call, and they told me that everything is a go, okay? So, with that being said, I want y'all to come and ride with me. Real quick, man. I want y'all to come and ride with me real quick. Check this out. Now, I'm gonna let you know right now, it's not gonna be too comfortable. It's not gonna be too comfortable at all. It's not gonna be comfortable at all. Just want you to just ride with me for a minute. Let's see. I want to show y'all something, man. Just roll with me for a minute. And it's not going to be too comfortable. I just got the I ain't gonna say the phone call because I made the phone call, but I got the okay that everything was everything, okay? And so what am I talking about here? Like I said, I know it ain't gonna be comfortable, but it's something that needs to be done, at least on my behalf, okay? So just kind of like roll with me. Just stick in here, man, and roll with me, dude. I don't remember the last time I was off up in here. But I think I'm going to try to remember. I'm going to try this one time because I've only been out here one time. But I'm going to try it again just this one time, and I'm going to ride with y'all. See, word is that everything is everything. Junior's headstone's supposed to be here. So that right there was the deal. Headstone's supposed to be here. Now, I don't know my way around this thing. I only been down here once. You know, and somebody had to show me, somebody had to bring me to where he were. But I was looking for my grandfather's and my grandmother's headstone because theirs kind of like stand out. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't know. I think I might be going around the wrong way. I'm gonna go around anyway, because this right here look kind of familiar. You with me? Come on, man. Now, at this point, I'm just riding around because I just didn't want to stop up there, but I know it when I see it. And this right here ain't it. So, I'm going to ride around the next one. This next little bend right here. Sorry about this right here, y'all. It might be in the other little area. Pass up the first area. I know it ain't good as. Yeah, I might have to go back out. And and get some directions. But Junior Headstone's supposed to be out here, y'all, and I want to get out here and see it because they said that it was ready. They said that his stuff was ready. I don't know if I'm getting closer or what. Sorry, y'all gotta work with me a bit. It was somewhere around here. I'm going back to the front. I'm gonna go back to the front, and hopefully I ride past it on my way back to the front. But I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna ask. Last time I was up here, they actually gave me a map. They gave me a map the last time I was out here. I'm sorry, y'all, for not being able to come straight to this thing. Oh, there you go, right here. Let me see. They said that it was down here. Okay. Okay. Look like I found it. Look like I found it, y'all. I don't like coming out here, but I promised them something, and I gotta hold my promise to it. So let's see. Y'all come up here with me. I don't know, this is my first time out here, so when I called down here, they said that it had been done. And so this right here is my grandparents, right here. That is there, y'all. Damn it. There you go, y'all. Just like they said it was gonna be. Oh man, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry, dude. Oh man. Oh dude. Oh man. Once I was 7 years old. Oh boy. I'm sorry, man. This shit been on my mind for a long time. I'm sorry, man.
Nah, man. They're really tough without you, boy. Missing the hell out you, boy. You don't even know the half, man. I ain't supposed to be talking to you like this. That shit be tight as hell, boy. Sure, y'all got to get back to work.